Dawn. Thank you for visiting my channel. Today I'm going to follow along with a Made You Look video, and I chose what was closest to my heart, which is, my heart's over here, which is her Michael Myers look. She did a Michael Myers mask with makeup, and it's a pretty new video and I loved it, so I want to follow along with hers. So she is way more talented with this type of thing than I am, but all I can do is try. And like I said, I'm going to be following along with her. So I'm going to get set up, and the first thing I'm going to do is she is much more experienced than me, so I'm going to put, I think, do I want to do this? I think I'm going to, I just want to do it here. I just want to create a line for the neck of the mask, I think. And then I'm going to cover my whole face in white cream paint. Oh, Jesus. So I'm just going to use this Ruby's white cream paint. And I don't even have an applicator. I'm just pretty much going to use my fingers. And this is a lot more liquidous and doesn't really dry down. So I'm going to go over it in a white powder too. And I'm sorry about the lighting. It's really nice out today, so we wanted to open the windows. But I also want to sit in front of the TV so I can see what she's doing. So there we go. So I'm going to just finish covering everything up. And she covers her ears with white too, so I guess I'm going to do that. I tried to improve the lighting situation a little bit by closing the blinds. I hope that helped. My good lighting is over there, and I am sitting in a very little nook right here, and all the lighting and stuff won't fit over here. All the lighting. I have one light that works real good, but it won't fit here. I have a ring light. Alright, so I'm just gonna cover that. Look at Tina. Tina! Hi! Hi, Tina. I hate covering my ears with this stuff, but she does it, so I gotta do it. She's probably got a lot higher quality paint than me too. And that sponge brush just isn't working, so I'm gonna use my fingers again. Okay. Now we're just gonna let that sit a minute. I think I'm gonna go over it with some white powder, but first I'm gonna let it sit a little bit before I even do that. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with some white setting powder. Okay, so right off the bat, I don't have a nice clean finish like she does, but we're gonna dirty it up some anyway, so we'll just see what happens. Okay, so I'm gonna take this tiny brush that I love, and we're gonna go in with, I'm gonna mix some grays and blacks together, just from various palettes that I don't really use for beauty, and just dirty it up. This isn't exactly like she's doing. She flicks some, I think, watered down body paint maybe on her, and but I don't have anything like that right now, so I'll just try it this way. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with just a black eyeliner to just work in his cheeks. And at this point they aren't too dark. We're going to work on them some more. And don't use your expensive liquid eyeliners for this, because this does mess them up. Okay, then we're gonna is just black eyeshadow I'm working with right here. Then we need some blackness shadow in the temple area, or just above the temple. And then we're gonna blend this out a little bit. Okay, done some shadow down the nose. She hasn't done this in the video at this point, but I don't know, I feel like it's important. Okay, now it's time. I'm gonna do the shape of the eyes. I probably shouldn't have gone in with the shadow yet, but I'm actually going to do that with an eyeliner to get it to be pretty blunt. Okay, so she says she's going in with a little black just to darken things up, and I'm paying attention to her. So I'm gonna try and do that too. I mean, of course, I'm not doing exactly what she's doing because, you know, I'm not a good student and I don't have the exact same stuff she's using. But I'm trying. Okay, so we're going to use black body paint to fill in the eyes. I mean, she did a much sharper look than I got, and her eyes are smaller. That's okay. Nobody's expecting perfection from me, right? Now, we're going to darken everything up with black eyeshadow because that's what she said to do. Oh look, my eyes are starting to tear up, and it's... Oh look, see, that's from my eyes tearing up. Oh no. Well, that'll just have to be part of the charm. So now, I got a brush like this, and we're going to go in with some kind of brownish gray and create cracks. This is the aged one. Okay, so here I am making the cracks with, she's using a very dark gray eyeshadow to create the cracks, so I am too. Okay, now that we have the cracks on, we're going to go to the side of them. She's using black body paint. I'm going to use this eyeliner that I love. I need my mirror. Okay, now we're going to use a super fine brush and white body paint to go on the other side of the cracks. Okay, so we're going to highlight everything, opposite side of the cracks and above the cheek, so hopefully I'm understanding this correctly. Also around the eyes. The good thing about messy, dirty makeup is that you can clean it up by making it even messier and dirty looking. Okay, well, I tried. And, you know, she pointed out in the video that, you know, the wig is attached to the Michael Myers mask that you would purchase in the store, or even his mask. So I'm just going to pull my hair back and I'm going to hold it this. They have all these little baby edges. Michael Myers doesn't have an issue with. This eye hole is bigger than this one, but I tried. She is a makeup artist. I'm just like not even an amateur. She's way more advanced than me. But this is it. This is what you get. I don't know. I don't think it's terrible. At least I tried it. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I will link Madeyewlook's video down below, the one I followed along with it, so you can too. I don't think it's awful, but she definitely did a better job. So thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to all of you later. Bye. I got a sand spur in my foot. Okay, Eric's gonna play some music for y'all. Okay. Okay. That was really good, Eric. Thank you.
Yeah, is that all you need?
Yep.